In the Philippines, senator and world champion boxer Manny Pacquiao has vowed more policy-making focus on the Muslim-majority southern island of Mindanao in the incoming Senate. Now, the country's poorest provinces are in the region.
Partial official results of the recent midterm elections show all 12 contested seats of the 24-member Senate will be filled by candidates linked to the Duterte administration. 3 of the 4 projected incoming senators from the ruling PDP Laban are Mindanao locals like Mr. Pacquiao, who served as the party's campaign manager.
Mas maganda ito ngayon dahil maraming taga Mindanao, okay? Kasi kami nakakaalam sa kung ano yung problema ng Mindanao, kung ano yung problema sa lugar namin, alam namin kung paano solusyonan. So I think makakatulong ito ng malaki.
However, Mr. Pacquiao did not give details of their pro-Mindanao policies. At the news conference, he said the other 2 projected incoming PDP Laban senators would help given their Mindanao roots.
Although they are backed by President Rodrigo Duterte, they have been criticized for their lack of legislative work experience. Mr. Pacquiao also stressed the need to bridge the gap between Muslim and Christians in the Catholic-majority Philippines.